Go. You'll trim it out or edit. No editing. They actually have some decent editing stuff on YouTube now too. Yeah, I'm ready.
Coming out.
Take off flat.
Some of them will be coming down by the time we get up there.
You know the best part about this jet, aside from the crazy high output,
What?
is how straight it feels.
Oh, you're right. It's got 2 wheels.
It's just bang on. I guess you're right.
Yeah.
Taking off!
Timer cleared.
Go.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Yeah, that thing's quick.
And I'm not even a school.
I know you aren't, but it's just nothing to it, so I want that plane to come down so I can think.
Oh shit.
Keon, come on. I think it's tail heavy.
It's a bit of a mess.
Oh God, really?
What?
Somebody else coming. Yeah, we can't really do anything. I can't go low.
Timing in 2 minutes.
Please. I know, just not now. God, that thing's a bullet! You're cruising.
Yeah. My rudder
the
is
fuck?
overgained.
Is it bouncing around?
Yeah. I'm gonna need to get the other gyro coil. You can see it right there.
Please. Another one coming down. Little red cub's coming down.
Man, you gotta like watch out for everybody.
Everybody. He almost chopped you up.
He almost hit me.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Alright, so that makes it a little easier. So you ready? Okay, I'm right here.
Yeah. Look at that thing!
Yeah,
It's a bullet!
I'm pretty impressed with it, Frankie.
It's
30
Alright,
seconds.
so should we
Oh, please don't. God, somebody else is coming out. Low pass! I know. Go, go.
Going up. He's just as fast. And back down.
10,
No, this thing is
9,
quicker than the F-5. 100%.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit!
Time
Who's
expired.
that? Alright, I'm done. I'm done. I'm comforted. Screw this. Gotta get people to fly more like predictable. Landing!
Landing flag. Gear down.
Landing!
Whoa,
Yeah, bump,
whoa,
big
whoa,
bumps.
whoa, whoa.
Big bumps.
Landing!
I'm all the way at the end, Frank.
Flaps up.
We need to do an actual flight together, though. where we're staying together the whole time, because the guy in orange, he flies very unpredictable.
Like a crazy man.
Very unpredictable.
Look at that, how straight that thing is.
It's because you got twin, and it's a
This thing's amazing.
it's lighter in the front too.
That jet, Nate.
I'm pretty impressed.
I think it's beat the F-5.
We've got to do an actual formation flight where we're trying to see who's faster. Because
it is, and I think that's the secret. It's the weight of a 70, but it's got 80 in it.
But the thing is, the original Mirage had that big old heavy fan in there.
Yeah.
And